Hi, I'm Brent. Today we've got a video update on another form of forced induction for your Toyota 86 or a BRZ. And as you can see here, we've got the Toyota 86 GDS, which belongs to a client. Relatively, well, in fact, absolutely standard engine bay. And what we're doing is we're taking the standard inlet manifold off that and we're going to replace it with a forced induction kit. And this particular client has chosen the Harrop Supercharger Kit, which we've got here, and we just wanted to show you effectively what's in the box of when you get one of these kits. And you can see it comes with its own box with the blower assembly already fitted to the inlet manifold, bolted down inside the box, and then that is shipped with all the other components as well, such as the water pump for the air-to-water intercooler, a custom replacement airbox cover to suit the new air intake design, an air filter. That's the heat exchanger for the intercooler to reduce the inlet temps after the air's gone through the compressor assembly, and they use the Eaton assembly in this kit. And of course all the lines and a replacement idler tensioner assembly at the front of the engine. So what we're going to do is we'll start pulling the engine off. We'll show you how this kit goes together, and we'll do another couple of steps as we progress through the kit to give you an idea of what you come to expect if you're going to look at this kit somewhere yourself, and what to expect as far as the final custom dyno tune at the end. And of course you can follow more information on our webpage on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. If you're looking for the Harrop kit, do a search in our new website for Harrop and you'll find some more information about that there as well. But for now, stay tuned for our next update and make a comment and share this video. Bye for now.